Before we begin this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon to be notified for my upcoming videos that I'll be uploading on my
15 players got 100x, 30 players got 50x, and 131 players got 40x. Ha, GY, and Fireball on top. What's wrong?
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste and a waste, bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a God never changed, play the game now we say.
Come on, give us five.
I need a break.
Right, we have 4 fireballs on the wheel. 2 of them have multipliers, so 50% chance if we land a fireball that will have a multiplier.
Strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
But of course, we get the fun. That doesn't happen. So, 717 fireball. Let's go. Last 2 times, 20x. Come on.
I wanna be
Highest possible.
I wanna be I'm gonna be
What is it?
It's never too late.
Okay, it's
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise and hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'm a ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me stack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call no bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come down with guns. I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you got a face on the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'm on the side cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want.
wow, 50x, so nice, very generous.
Staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
On newcomers. Well, how are you doing today? Any plans for later after you gamble for a little bit? 2x on fireball. For me, I gotta go visit the 6-year-old kid. I don't know what kind of party. Bar mitzvah? But like a party for a kid. Do you know this kid? No, I don't. 706 fireball. I just visit random kids. Let's go. Nah, he's a relative. Let's go. Alrighty, friends. Highest possible 500x. Bam, there we go. That's better. 2 times. Everything becomes 2 times better. 1000x highest. Bam, there we go. Good luck.
I see her rolling up Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of
surrounded.
Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take her out,
Congratulations to the players that
I think she's
won.
feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her. Need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Amigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, cause
Sounded weird, but I mean in a way where, you know, like, it's not yeah, I never was a kid. I was born like this. 3x on fireball, 2x on battery charger. Biggest win here, 3.6 thousand next on LS. I won $7,000. Good job. What do you do with that money?
Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside. Triggers fast once you get her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement. Her body by say she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space.
You start from bottom, exactly bottom, so middle, but which side? Left side.
Cause she's like
some 40s, some 30s, 50s, some 30s, so on and so on. My congratulations to everybody that won. Good job. Standing ovation from me. 1.3 thousand players won. In the top we have Disco, GY, Milan, 18 players got 100x, 41 players got a 50x. Betting time, of course, is on for the round. Cold spot, yay. Hey, man. Some people have difficulty finding the hot spot, you know? And it's fine. With time, you learn. Good luck. Good morning, good morning. Who? 50x on a fireball, 15x on a hot spot, 10x hot spot, 2x hot spot. Yeah, 3 out of 4 hot spots on multis. Okay, this is not for me. I found a spot. I don't doubt that. Oh, don't tease us like that, please. Stop. Okay, let's calm down. Breathe. Breathe, guys. Breathe. Second number 6 fireball. 50x. Okay. Let's take a moment. Okay. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Breathe, guys. Breathe. Oh, boy. I've never had 50x on fireball.
I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
What it is, 4 digits. Which means that was 20x. It could have been worse, right? Yeah, it could have been 999. Could have been way less. Like 3x on hotspot, battery charger, 4x and fireball. 5 times 50 would be 250, right? Could have been 250, I think, as well. So happy, says Ham. I'm happy for you as well. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm news. I'm news. Segment number 5, fireball, 4x. Extras as you participate in this one as well. By the way, hi everyone that joined. I hope that you joined in time for this one. Let's go. Okay, okay. Let's do this. Oh, everything's being multiplied by 4. Nice. We have a lot more reds now. Highest possible is 2000x. Can we get it? I hope so. Good luck. Let's do this. A lot of bouncing around. It is red, and I think it's 4 hundo. I'm not sure. It is. Back-to-back awesome wins. My congratulations to the players that won. You just got 1000x, now 400x. Very well done. Very well done. Good job, everybody. Nice. 1.2 thousand players won in the top. You have 3-6 Milan, Ken, 3-6 with 32,000 euro win. Bets round, of course. Yeah. What was it, 4x? Was it 4x, right? So it was 100, right? Default 100. Bro, look at the history. Hotspot, battery charge. No, hotspot, fireball, fireball, hotspot, fireball, fireball. That's crazy. 5x on hotspot, battery charger, 4x battery charger, and 2x on fireball. So now you don't want him to go, yeah. Now you don't want me to live. Coincidences, guys, coincidences. Could have happened on any host. And that is a leaf. I guess we need to cool down. My congratulations to all of the players that won. Good job.